Good day. Today I'm going to replace the rear brake pads on my 2008 Hayabusa. Here's how the rear brake assembly looks. Caliper and disc. But first, when you're doing these jobs, it's important to have some tunes. So I have my Sirius radio tuned into Ozzy's Boneyard. Some of my garage art. Okay, getting back to the task. There are two fasteners to remove. There's this caliper pin here that takes a 5mm hex wrench. Pull it out like that. And this caliper bolt, there's two of these. So this takes a 10mm socket. Once that's out, you can pivot the caliper upward on the other caliper bolt, which I don't think I need to remove. Just pivot this upwards and then you can work on getting the pads removed and replaced. And this piston has to be pushed back. You can accomplish that with a screwdriver. Just gently push it back in, because the new pads will be thicker than the worn ones for them to fit in. When that's done, you'll notice the brake level fluid will rise. It looks like this is about 3/4 full. It's okay. That's normal. And now to get the pad out. Whoops. It's held in by a spring. See that? We need some better light here. Let's get this. I just held in place by a spring. Sort of lift the bottom like that and take it out. There it goes. The other one's the same way. And these ones are worn pretty good. There's a bit of wear left on them, but it's definitely time to replace them. So that gives you an idea of how it comes apart. I'm not saying it's the only things you have to consider here. Just an idea of the fasteners you have to take out and how to get the pads out. Once you're in there, you can clean up everything, including the glaze on this disc. There's various ways you can do that. And that just gives an overview of how to replace the brake pads on 2008 Suzuki Hayabusa. Thanks for watching.